Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're going to work on paper plane 16 of our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. Today's paper airplane is The Hunter by Kunihiko Kasahara. This tutorial is presented to you by Wilson Lee. As a reminder, I post at a minimum of 2 times a week. Every Tuesdays, I'm going to be posting a new paper airplane that's part of my 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. This is where I try to find 100 exotic paper airplanes and show you how to fold them. Every Fridays, I'll be posting a new origami model that's never seen before on my channel. On Sundays, if I decide to post a video, it's either going to be a vlog video or another origami model that's never seen before on my channel. Usually, something a little bit more complex. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to help you start practicing origami. Either you're experienced or not, I'm pretty sure you'll find something interesting. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. Now back to today's model. Today's model is paper plane 16, which is The Hunter by Kunihiko Kasahara. This paper airplane flies really straight, amazingly straight, so I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it. If you've got an extra few minutes, please check out a few more of my videos. I'm pretty sure you're going to find something interesting. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.